Hello everyone, welcome to the reading list and an initiative by Unacademy. I am Ravi Kumar and I have secured All India rank 38 in this UPSC CSE 2021. Here today I am going to discuss with you some of the books which I have read and would like to refer to you so that you can take help and ideas from those books in your preparation and in your life in general. So the first book that I am going to refer is The Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So it gives an insight into the life of Dr. Kalam, and the thing that I have foremostly taken from this book is how to cope with your failure. There was an instance in this book where Dr. Kalam was not selected into the Air Force, which was his primary dream, and then he felt like the world is over for him, and then he again restarted his journey and got selected into DRDO and got inducted into the missile development program, which he led going further, and then changed the course of science and technology in India in general. This book also teaches a lot about the managerial skills and how to go with your teammates and how to build trust amongst your team to get the better of them and also do something for your country. So this one was the first book. The second book is The Idea of Justice by Dr. Amartya Sen. This book presents a contrary idea and different viewpoint into the idea of justice from what was being talked about from the Rawls idea of justice. In the Rawls idea of justice, the primary thing that was focused upon was the veil of ignorance and how people take decision upon that veil of ignorance, and when it is removed, the distribution of justice is quite equal and is prevalent among the rational people. But here Dr. Amartya Sen talks about different aspects of justice that can prevail in a society which is highly unequal in nature, and what rationale goes into the mind of people when they take decisions which affect the entire society. So I think this will help you develop some political idea into it and also help you understand redistributive economy in general. And the third book that I would like to refer is Sapience by Yuval Noah Harari. I think this is one of the most important books if you are going to venture into the anthropology optional. So this book is for the layman to understand, and it talks about the evolution of people from the basic beings that came into the earth to the intelligent Homo sapiens which rule the world today, and how we have transformed as a society. So this book takes a very basic leap into understanding of the evolution by Charles Darwin and takes up to the level that we have reached today and how it is also going to be like in the future, and what is going to be the future of Earth if we are going to consume in the same manner as we do today. And one more book, The Pride and Prejudice by John Austen, that was I think was written during the French Revolution in 1789. Jane Austen, this book is very good and presents an insight into the life of the protagonist who takes decision and how it goes on to affect her life in a very descriptive manner. So, and the last book that I would like to refer is Ikigai, and this book personally did not help me much in understanding the life, but I think people have got very much motivated. One of my friends have given a very positive feedback about this book, that if you are going to lead a very meaningful life, this should be the way, as the Japanese from the Okinawa island in Japan used to live. So this is all from my side. Thank you.